I didn't realize you passed leadership.
I'm neither.
Well, good news. I don't see anybody. I lied.
No, far side, far side.
Reposition. Move now.
I'm not getting.
I wish I hadn't land up here.
Oh, trying to figure things out hurts my brain.
Uh-huh.
Why did I just
Using my brain hurts my brain.
More brain.
Using my
Got
brain.
him. I got an advanced UAV Overwatch. Look at that.
Nice.
I'm definitely gonna go towards the people.
Okay, buddy.
If I have the element of surprise, I'm gonna bend them over.
I mean, it makes sense to me.
Perfect.
I got an
Help me.
airstrike. I'm coming. I don't know where you are. Where are you? There you are. Oh, you got Austin. You're fine.
I think Austin's still trying to figure out who his teammates are every time we play.
Alright, listen.
Are they in this building, Matt?
They were at some
Oh.
point.
It looks like they went.
Glass
they
broke in front of me,
expanded
I
your-
think.
Oh, you got a guy on me. I think. Yeah.
Guy got made too, Austin. Hit him 50 in front of me. He's literally one bullet on top of this building right here.
Yeah, the one on me is very weak.
I got my guy.
I don't know where the guy that was on me went. Oh, I think someone killed him.
One of us.
I don't know this. Guy on me.
Where?
He's over here,
Oh.
hit pretty weak. More than one, more than one, more than one.
One is super weak. One is super weak. Re-broke one, and then one is still flesh. That guy low-key rinsed me.
You call to your right, call
Killed
to your
one.
right.
You can drag me as you res too.
Hey,
Oh,
look at
oh,
me.
he's definitely peeking.
Stay with me.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my goodness, thank you.
He's dead. He's dead. I got him.
Hold
No,
on.
I did not know that. Did not know that dragging thing was a thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Did we get them all?
Yeah.
Nice.
I do wish I had something that was a little bit more zoomed in. I have 2 guns with red dots.
Right in front of you, Cole. 50-50.
Not me.
Oh, that's Austin.
God, it scared the fuck out of me.
I
I hear more though.
100. I
I hear more though.
100. Oh, get pieced. Oh, that's crazy.
I got both of them. Got both of them.
That first guy got.
Oh,
shit
yeah.
on. Our teammate is not super close to us for now. For a warning. I think we try to play. There's fighting to the right here. I'm gonna see if I can take some shots since everyone has
God.
to move.
Now I see what you were talking about with the wide open.
Yep.
Yeah, a little bit.
Careful, careful peeking top here. There should be people up here.
Yep.
Oh, dunked!
Nice.
I think it was a knock.
Got
He's
one.
dead.
Nice. More.
Another one to the right.
100.
Another one to the right.
Oh, sorry, I just did 200. Headshot. 223. On that red ping
You
for
get-
Sherzies or what?
Sniper behind! Sniper behind!
Like where we came
Behind
from?
where? Behind
we
where?
came
Behind where? Okay.
Where we came from.
Heard.
How far?
I don't see him.
I'm trying to get shots through. They got a sniper up here.
Right
at all?
there.
Is this an airstrike?
Right there on 14.
Airstrike him. He's running. He's running to the right. I definitely airstruck him. I think there's two back
I
there.
airstrike the other side.
White. Hey, guns at range in this game are rough. Alright, everyone lock. We win this.
I live pinged one.
Yep. That's far.
Oh shit! Well, you guys are getting airstriked back.
I'm a little separate from you guys. Hold on.
God, names are so hard to read in this.
Yeah, no, I can't tell who anyone is. I had to really look. 4 squads, and we're a full squad. Austin had a live up here, at some point.
Or,
Yeah, there's at least 3 people up there.
Well, they have to move. They've got to be on my right. Probably wrapping like this tower, right?
definitely possible.
Freaks.
I
Or
do.
they
I
went-
do. I do still have an airstrike in my pocket, just so that's known.
Okay. I thought I had one. I don't. That's fine.
I thought you shot one off.
I did, but there was one on the ground I thought I picked up. Austin, are they under you
heard.
somehow? Like left in this ridge? Could they be behind somehow? They could have wrapped hypothetically with this hill.
I mean, I'm not seeing anybody to the left really at all.
3 squads.
Still a guy up there.
Oh, yep. 2-2.
I broke him.
I'm staring into Jesus right now. How long till this thing starts moving again?
I mean, well, the
Our
zone's
teammate's
already
fighting
changed.
someone. Our teammate's fighting someone behind us, Cole. Should be under this hill.
No, I think he's good. He killed him.
Oh.
I think.
Target plate armor!
So we know where the last guy is. It should be the one that's up here.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Never mind, he's over there.
Frag out!
I broke. He's low. He's right there on that tree.
Dead.
Nice.
Let's go!
Easy epic victory royale. 23 kills? What the fuck? I didn't see anybody.